prance. Oh.
The intrepid Leo approaches.
I want to see you, boy.
Unafraid of the tamed white-tailed deer, Leo doesn't seem to realize how much damage they could cause him.
What? He looks like, well, is that a mother or a father?
What does it look like to you?
I don't know, but he's standing his ground. He's standing his ground.
Go ahead, Leo. Go pet him. Go give him a pat.
See, now he's like, see, this is what you call, I'm the Caesar Milan of deer.
Right.
We just get a little closer, and we just inch our way over, and he'll learn to establish himself. Hey! Actually, he looks like he's limping. Maybe that's why he's standing there.
Is that your expert opinion?
No, you didn't see him. Look at him.
Yeah, I'm saying that you're saying that's the reason he was standing there.
Yeah. Would that look creepier actually if I was like limping towards them?
I don't know, ask YouTube.
Oh look, there's a car.
This is some rugged terrain.
Something just scared them off. Not me. There's another one. There. Maybe this one will be more friendly.
Leo the deer whisperer has spotted yet another individual in the cemetery.
6.
For those counting at home.
No. 6. Right on. There's another one. We're at 7 deer.
How many do you think are in the whole cemetery then?
8.
8? That's your...
Actually 9.
9. That's your final answer? For the whole cemetery?
I'm sure there's one smoking pot in one of the mausoleums.
I'm gonna have to send this to you to edit.
No, actually there's 10. 10.
Good counting.
And now if these ones run away, then that's it. We're done. Cutting it off. Now, these ones,
They don't look like they're in the mood to mess with you.
what do you mean?
They look like they're gonna stand their ground there.
Yeah, but aren't deer like mostly prey for most animals?
They're well, I mean, you're the biological expert, but yeah, you're right.
No, I'm only an amphibiology expert.
Oh.
I'm an amphibiologist.
They hear the squirrel. There's a squirrel in the distance. Look at that one.
You have food?
I don't, but look at their antlers. They could impale you.
See, that one's a female though.
So you're gonna go after the female? That's nice.
You said that.
I didn't say that. I said look at the antlers, they could impale you. That doesn't translate to go for the female.
No, you said go for the female.
Leo, I have this all on video.
Yeah, we'll play it back.
So you're gonna go after the female? That's nice.
I sit down, is that a submission signal?
I don't think they'll come up to you if you sit down. That's squatting.
Is that not a submission signal?
No, that's the most aggressive thing. Look at them. Look at them run off.
Okay. How about this?
Oh. Nope. Looks like you just scared them again. Even further.
He's coming back.
You don't hear the squirrels?